Welcome, today in front of me TCL 10 Top Max, and I'll show you how to change screen recorder quality on this device. So let's first open the settings and then tap to advanced features. Then you'll see here screen recorder section. Tap here once and you'll see the first section was video resolution. You can just change the video quality in your screen recorders from highest to this just medium or to the lowest. By this way, just select one from these resolutions. So that's it. Also, we have the second way how we can activate screen recording settings. Just first open notification panel, and after that somewhere here find screen recording icon. In my case it's here. Just hold for a while this icon and you will launch the same screen recorder settings. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.